Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to part 2 of how to achieve the perfect showroom shine finish on your ride. So you guys saw in the last episode, we did a thorough process of washing the vehicle. We pulled it inside, we clayed it, we polished it to perfection, and we did our wipeout surface cleanser wipe just to make sure that there's no residual compound or polish residue on the car. And now on today's episode, I want to break down the order in which you can apply your protective coatings to maximize the level of shine on your ride. So the first product that you want to apply when it comes to the detailing flowchart is protective coatings such as ceramic coatings like HydroCharge. Now when it comes to the Chemical Guys ceramic line of hydro products, we have a multitude of ceramic products such as HydroCharge, HydroSlick, HydroSpeed, and Carbon Force ceramic protective coating system, which are all going to be awesome base layers of protection for your vehicle. Now, the reason that I wanted to do this video in the first place is, not to segue away from the whole ceramic stuff, we'll get to it, but the reason I wanted to talk about this is simply because when it comes to the detailing flowchart, it can be confusing when you're looking at it because, you see protective coating, you see glaze, sealant, wax, and you kind of, start wondering, do I have to do all this? And to answer your question, no, you don't have to do everything, but in terms of to maximize the level of shine on your ride, I would highly recommend doing so. But like I said, it's completely optional when it comes to the detailing flowchart. If you want to apply a ceramic coating but not a wax, great, then just apply the ceramic coating. But just keep in mind, this goes in order in terms of, from left to right kind of process. So when it comes to the way that you would layer your protectants, it would be ceramic coating, glaze, sealant, and then a wax. So it's not to say that, if you want to apply ceramic coating and just the wax, apply ceramic coating and just the wax. But if you want to apply those two, make sure it's in that order and not a wax first and then a ceramic coating, because then your ceramic coating is not going to bond to your freshly prepped paintwork. And as you guys know, waxes typically don't last as long as ceramic coatings. So you don't want to apply a thin layer protection and then a thick layer protection on top, because that thin layer protection underneath is just going to wash right off because it doesn't adhere properly and it doesn't last as long as a ceramic. So back to ceramics. Ceramics are a great way to enhance the maximum level of shine on your vehicle because they contain ceramic SiO2 nanotechnology, which really just provides a jaw-dropping, wet, lustrous, sharp finish. So ceramic coatings are a great way to just really give your paint that super thick, durable layer of protection against the elements. All right, guys, so moving on from ceramic coatings, if you want to apply and maximize your layer of shine, the next thing that you're going to want to apply is a glaze. Now here at Chemical Guys, we love glazes because we have over, I believe, 5 or 6 different types of glazes that all do completely different things. This one right here, just for example, is our Glossworkz Ultimate Glaze. And the purpose of this product is that it contains micro swirl fillers, which really provide your vehicle with a deeper, much richer shine. So for this product right here, it has those micro swirl fillers. It'll actually temporarily fill in light scratches and swirls in your paintwork, thus giving it a better appearance temporarily. This is not a permanent solution. So, as far as getting rid of scratches and swirls, you still want to polish, but if it's just something temporary, if you're doing this as a business or maybe just trying to get rid of a car and you want to make it look good, this is a great way to do so. So going back to the whole detailing flowchart, when it comes to applying glazes, if you are going to be applying a glaze and maybe you're not going to be applying a ceramic coating, that's completely fine. Don't apply the ceramic coating, simply apply the glaze. And then if you want to layer with the sealant and a wax, totally do so. If you just want to apply a glaze and a wax, awesome, whatever you prefer. But just make sure that if you do apply a glaze, you lock it in with another layer of protection. Simply because glazes are not considered technically protectants because they do have some protective properties to them, but they're not really designed to last you months of durable shine and protection. This is more so designed to kind of give you that layer of masking, and then you would want to lock it in with like a sealant or a wax afterwards. So if you do apply glaze, make sure to do at least either the sealant or the wax or both for maximum shine and protection. So moving on from glazes, the next thing that you can apply is a sealant. Now a sealant could be something like our Jet Seal. Jet Seal is an OG product. This product has been around for ages, and the reason why this product is so popular and the reason why I really love this product is because this has kind of been around since before ceramics, and it also provides durable long-term hydrophobicity and durable UV protection that can last you up to 12 months. Now Jet Seal, it's an easy on, easy off. It goes on like a cream wax, it wipes off like a cream wax. The only difference is that with this product, you want to allow it some time to sit on the surface for about anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, wipe it off, you're good to go. Now, sealants as opposed to ceramics, really the main difference is just the formulation. Ceramics contain nanoceramic SiO2. This contains a blend of nanotech polymers and carnauba oils and waxes. So it's really more of a kind of a synthetic wax as opposed to more of a traditional cream oil-based wax. So Jet Seal, great product. If you want to apply a layer of durable shine protection, this does have gloss enhancer, so it will add to the shine and the protective properties of any existing ceramic coating or glaze or wax sitting on the vehicle. So moving on from sealants, now we're getting into some different kind of things such as wax. Now, when it comes to waxes, if you guys haven't heard about our butter wet wax, you guys are sleeping under a rock. This product right here is phenomenal. It provides durable shine, durable protection, it's fast and easy to use, and it has some cleaning properties that can actually help remove things like paint transfer, paint overspray, tree sap, tar, things like that very quickly, very easily. And it's really just a multi-purpose kind of wax. You know, it's not just to shine and protect your paint. It can also be used for that purpose as well. And really, this is just a really great way to just add some emphasis on any kind of existing other coatings that you have in your vehicle, such as the sealants, the ceramic coatings, and the glazes. It's really just a great way to enhance a deep carnauba glow on your vehicle. Now, different types of waxes. We have our butter wet wax, which is more of a cream wax. And then you also have products like Blaze Banana, which is more of a sprayable wax. So you can use something like this very quickly and easily to maintain any kind of existing coatings, protective coatings sitting on your paint. This is more of a simple spray, wipe off, you're good to go. And then last but not least, one of my personal favorite ways to shine is paste waxes. Now, paste waxes are OG. This right here, if you guys haven't heard of a paste wax, I don't blame you. You know, if you haven't been in the car industry that long, you know, you probably have never heard of it, but this is basically what a paste wax is. So a paste wax, it's a hard, super concentrated carnauba wax. So what I mean by that is things like butter wet wax, they contain emulsifiers and lubricants in them that allow the wax to be more easily spreadable. With this product right here, you're getting the raw deal, baby. You're getting that nice, hard, rich carnauba shine. And basically, how you use this product is you grab a UFO applicator. That's why you guys are maybe wondering why this was sitting in my lap the entire video. But this right here, this foam UFO applicator, what you want to do is simply rub it in there. And then with the heat of the foam reacting with the wax itself, it starts melting, thus getting on the applicator and allowing you to easily apply it to your paintwork. Now, paste waxes, like I said, they're very highly hyper concentrated. I don't even know the highest form of purity wax that you can get in a nice little can right here. And this little product, this little can goes a very, very, very long way. And it's really just overall the best way to enhance that deep OEM carnauba glow all around your vehicle, no matter what color your vehicle is. Paste waxes are the perfect way to go. If you guys haven't tried one yet, I highly recommend picking out this one, our XXX Pure Extreme Carnauba Wax. If you guys haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out on our website to learn more about it. All right, guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope it was very quick and to the point. If I wasn't, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. But this video, it wasn't necessarily about how to apply these waxes, even though we did kind of show you guys. It was more so about explaining the differences between them and really just kind of explaining the order in which you would apply these products. So if there's anything that I want you guys to take away from this video, is not how to apply these products, but just why you would apply these products and what they do for your vehicle. And another thing to keep in mind is you don't have to apply every single one of these products. If you want to just, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to apply ceramic coating and be done with your day, hey, good on you. If you want to apply ceramic coating and a glaze, awesome. Just make sure that you lock it in with either a sealant or a wax or even a spray wax or a paste wax. And if you just want to apply a wax and not a ceramic coating, a sealant or a glaze, awesome. My personal favorite combo that you cannot beat on any vehicle, no matter the condition of it, just make sure that you wash it, you clay it, and you polish it, but you cannot beat a good old glaze and wax combo, because if you think about it, glazes, they temporarily fill in scratches and swirls, and then that wax on top of it is just going to emphasize that new foundation of that freshly, shine paintwork. So that's a really great combo, and that's my personal favorite combo. But if you guys want, do all the full shebang, and your ride, I promise you guys, will be gleaming. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give us a huge like. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you guys want to pick up any of the products, they're in the description, they're in the pinned comment. And if you guys want to pick them up in person, hey, check out your local detail garage. You're going to have a link to that as well in the description. And as always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys, and we'll see you guys next time.